Hello, my name is Jed Albring and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you guys the ClickFunnels Dream Car Contest. If you want to win a dream car, this is the place to go, guys. So first of all, what is the ClickFunnels Dream Car Contest? Well, what it is a contest for affiliates to win a dream car. Now, you don't have to be an affiliate. Once you sign up for ClickFunnels, you automatically get an affiliate ID. So there are a lot of people who have won the dream car that simply use ClickFunnels in their product. So they say they're selling a course on how to use Facebook ads. They're going to use ClickFunnels in their course and recommend it to the people who buy their course, saying, hey, we recommend ClickFunnels as a way to build landing pages when you drive Facebook ads. And when they sign up, then those people, not only are they getting money for the product that they sold, the online course, but they're also getting a ClickFunnels affiliate. So a lot of people win the ClickFunnels car that way. But then there are people who are just affiliates and simply promote ClickFunnels and build businesses around promoting ClickFunnels. So what's great about it is not only do you get 40% recurring commission, but once you get to 100 new ClickFunnels users under your affiliate link, you're going to get that reoccurring commission, which is around $4,000 or more, depending on what you sign them up for. But ClickFunnels is going to give you $500 towards the car of your choice, towards a lease of a car of your choice. Now, when you get to 200 users, they're going to actually give you $1,000 or an additional $500. So it's not $1,500 total, but they'll give you $500 for the first 100 and another $500 for the 200. So that's $1,000, guys. So people literally are getting Lamborghinis, Teslas, Maseratis. It's crazy. And then there's people like me. I haven't won the dream car yet. I'm on my way, I hope, slowly but surely. But then there's a lot of people that get minivans and SUVs and all kinds of stuff. So, but it's such a super cool thing to get. But what's really cool about the ClickFunnels Dream Car Contest and the ClickFunnels Affiliate Program is they have something called sticky cookies. So what it means is it follows your visitors over every device. So a lot of affiliate programs, if somebody clicks on your link on desktop and then clicks off and goes to their phone, you lose that affiliate. Also, most affiliate programs, they only have cookies for about 30 days, 60 days, maybe 90 days. ClickFunnels is a sticky cookie, meaning if somebody clicks on your link today and doesn't buy for 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, 9 months, you still get paid for that link as long as they were the last person, right? You were the last link for them to click on. So it's pretty amazing program. And you can see here's all the people that have won the ClickFunnels Dream Car. There's some big names in here, Robert Kiyosaki, obviously. So he would be an example of somebody who probably promotes ClickFunnels in his courses. Ty Lopez. But then you have people who are just straight up affiliates. Grant Cardone is a big name. People who are just straight up affiliates like Greg Jeffries. He is 100% affiliate only. So he creates blogs and videos and Facebook groups and just promotes ClickFunnels. That's it. And he has won the dream car. So a lot of different ways. Sam Ovens is another popular one. Spencer Meekum, he's somebody who only promotes, well, he promotes a lot of products, but he is a ClickFunnels affiliate, straight up affiliate only, and has earned over $1 million in 1 year promoting ClickFunnels. That's insane. So here's all the different dream car winners. If you want to get started with the dream car contest, guys, I will put a link below for you to get started. And if you end up signing up for ClickFunnels, great, thank you. I am an affiliate, obviously. I do appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share. And go and win your dream car.